Tired of spending hours manually assigning dollars to your budget categories in YNAB? I am going to show you how to use YNAB's 8 auto-assign buttons to streamline your budgeting process and save valuable time. First, make sure you have income to assign. If you don't, categorize your transactions to ready to assign first to then be able to manage your budget. The first is the Underfunded button. This allocates money to cover the difference where your assign columns is below the monthly savings builder or target amounts. To utilize this, checkmark the goals needing funding and then click the Underfunded button. The Target Balance button fills your categories with the funds needed to reach your specified target balance. Next, the Needed for Spending button automatically funds all categories with a needed for spending target. The Goals button quickly funds all categories with any type of goal. The Quick Budget category lets you assign money based on the category balance. The Reset Available amount resets the amount for a fresh start. The Assign to Zero automatically assigns the funds to match the category balance. The Reduce Overfunding reclaims extra funds in overfunded categories. Finally, the Assign the Rest function assigns any money remaining to a specific category of your choice. Experiment with these auto-assign buttons and watch how much faster and easier budgeting becomes with YNAB.